Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Good morning to the Voice of Bedmiller family. Yeah, man, the Voice of Bedmiller YouTube family. About after 5 in the morning, I know. Yeah, man, the morning after my Iyah father funeral. Because, as I say, when you come on to social media thing, I'm the only man advice out say Usain Bolt to get national hero honor in our country. And thank you, Papa Jesus. We thank you, say, the Prime Minister turned up on the man father funeral yesterday. Yeah, man. So me catch him for me the 24 Ultra. Yes, because yesterday I try to live stream things, but through certain vibes, you know, see it, you know, the work out the way I want to work out. But I'm glad to know I record it straight, because I'm telling you I record it straight, you know. Because sometimes when I come on to live stream, the signal thing a problem more time. So I come prepared. I'm glad to see me catch the Prime Minister, the game speech. So who know the Prime Minister, who don't watch me think it and don't hear the Prime Minister speech, me go play the Prime Minister speech now. And you can hear when the man talk out of his mouth. So Usain Bolt is a national hero. Okay, alright, now I go just. Yeah, man. Me just play it now. Yeah.
This is going to be a difficult time. It is a difficult time. But I encourage you to be comforted by the memory of an incredible good father. Rest well, Iyah. As a community man and father, you have run your race, and you too have burned gold. At this time,
24 Ultra, top quality.
I will lay hands suddenly
Top quality video this one.
on a special individual who is here with us this morning. He got up early when he was overseas to be robed in his graduation. He got up this morning and did a 5K run, and he quickly changed and made it here this morning. I'm going to lay hands suddenly on the most honorable doctor and your Holy Prime Minister. This is a few words. Thank you, Prime Minister.
Thank you, Minister. May I acknowledge the clergy of this church, members of the whole family, Usain, and all the distinguished well-wishers gathered in the church this morning. Yes, you know, the Thanksgiving ceremony is always a time of grief. And as I entered the church and I shook the saint's hand and I looked him in the eyes, I saw his grief. But I want to say to you, Saint, the entire nation mourns you. The entire nation embraces your family and surrounds you with prayers at this difficult time. As I sat there trying to collect my thoughts, I immediately looked up some of the things you said about your father. And in an interview, you said that my father didn't speak much, but when he spoke, we listened. And I believe that summed up the character of the man, Senator Usain this morning. see that summed up the character of the man. But Usain also said that whatever I am today, it was because of my parents. He gave credit to his parents. It is not easy to be a world champion. And I'm certain that it would have taken Usain's village to raise him to become this world champion. But it all started in the home. And so I decided to accept the late invitation to speak, and not to stay too long because a long list of persons giving tribute. But Usain is a global icon, a national hero, a national asset, and every Jamaican is breathing with Usain and his family at this time. So I thought that as Prime Minister, I have the duty and indeed the responsibility to speak on behalf of the country. I see both members of the opposition and members of the government gathered. So I take the privilege to speak on behalf of the political class. To say, Usain, we love you, we care about you, and in this time of grief, please know that we are all here praying for you and the comfort of your family. God bless your family, Jennifer, and your brothers, sisters, and your entire family. Church, hold your hands over your Savior and pray for you. God bless you. Amen.
Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Mr. Prime Minister. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. God knows me love your speech. You have a nice speech yesterday. I'm glad to know say you have your recorded. You have your recorded on the Voice of Bedmiller YouTube channel. I'm glad to me catch up on my 24 Ultra. The top class quality. Because people are talking about the quality when me push out. Yeah, man. Because people comment about my quality, you know. Say, boy, then watch the funeral, you know, but my quality was a top class quality. Because me never went, because I use the live stream one. And the normal recording one I use. That me use when the live stream give me problem. But as I say, I come to my point now. I come to my point right now. I'm so cool, calm, you know, see it, and collective. You know, see it? Because you see me with my nip school tie yesterday. I'm in nip school. You know, see it, because it's all about nip. The tie me yesterday. What me I say now, brother? The man to get national hero. Usain Bolt to get the highest honor in our country. And that me they talk about. So if me can see that, and the Prime Minister said that yesterday, in company national, because I hope to the man on TVG, you know. Post up the part there, you know. And that the man on TVG will post up, you know, when you say, you know, man. Because TVG man is right beside me, you know. Usain Bolt to get national hero in our country. Because the most touching thing for me yesterday, the funeral yesterday, you know. The most touching thing for me, you know. Yeah, man. Can I talk about my family people, them? The most touching thing for me at the funeral yesterday. I when Christine from compound, my sister Christine from compound. When Christine little son, can you call him, I basically call him Ronaldo. Because he love football and he play football and the track and field same way. And when the youth come into the church, in a little shorts, in little slippers, and so forth, and in a seat, and in shirt, and he crawl up beside me, and said to me, say, ask me for Usain Bolt. That me say, yeah man, a Usain Bolt man. And he say, one go touch, he say, one go touch. Me say, boy, the funeral start already still no, but in a seat. See if he can cry, because the time at that time, you know, the camera when they put upon Bolt, you know, the camera they upon the people, they upon the podium, they get him speech. So me say for those crawl man, those crawl up and those go touch him and shake him and come out. You know see it. You know see it. And the youth tell me say, I'm afraid. And same time now the virgin fan TV just I tell me say no man, he can't go the man, he start already man. So I tell him say boy Naldo, I tell you can't go no man, you have to go us. We need to let's see him outside. And he say, okay, alright. I'm glad for know so that you get to meet Usain Bolt. You get to meet him. The local youngster get to meet Usain Bolt. The Prime Minister said Usain Bolt is a global icon, and a national hero, and a national asset to the country. I talk and I tell Mark G the same thing too. Because not if Mark G talk about Mark G now, none of them talk about Usain Bolt and forget Iyah, you know. None of them talk say no. Mark G now talk say no. Mark G say Bob Marley forget Iyah. And big up to that. Because Mark G no national icon thing like the Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, I'm glad to see me catch you for the Vice of Bed Miller. Nothing more to me what took place yesterday. But I'm glad to you come. So thank you for come. Thank you for come, Mr. Prime Minister. At the best speech before you give. Because you lie, you know, you lie so bad, you know. But you say when you talk to Usain Bolt and national hero, I chew to the talk. And that's my topic today. Because me having come to talk about Carl Archer speech. You have the sermon of Carl Archer give. That's me pick up with Daniel and Revelation. And this is Carl Archer giving speech out there, you know. The prophecy, you know. And Carl Archer, yeah man, the same pastor man, the Carl Archer, the brightest boy I live in a few time. Because when Carl Archer mash up 9th grade, for 9th grade class, you know, see me mash up 9th grade same way. My brightest boy in 9-4. Carl Archer, I believe in the brightest, when the 9th grade, Carl Archer did it now. And Carl Archer give him ceremony, and I tell him, I say, when I say it, when I give the life to Jesus Christ, because Jesus come destroy the world, you know, destroy for the kingdom, you know. Daniel and Revelation call out when the damn thing from. Yes, Iyah. Yeah man, so what me I say now? Next time I go talk about that, brother. Yes. So, what me I say? Marky G and all of the political leaders. When they talk about Usain Bolt to get national hero. The Prime Minister confess it. I'm having palm. You understand me? I'm recording me the only man. I take the social media and say the youth to get national hero. And the greatest man is come out of Jamaica since Bob Marley. Yeah, greater than Bob Marley too. Because the youth humble. I'm glad to say boy, I'm glad for the support the people they come give me yesterday. Because people from all walks of life, some white people all about Chris Gale, Bibi Gardner, you know, say Pepe Goodison, you know, see, when did they? That's why I'm glad to see me go outside go catch Charlie. We don't even take time out and watch the thing yesterday still, you know. I don't watch it because I post up my back. You post up my back, you know. You know, see. Because I'm saying, big up yourself. Because myself is right. Principal and school. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Mr. Right did there, but I'm on the back page. Can I make sure I can turn on me see me now. And big up all the who turn out and support my hero. I'm the only man, I'm the only, because I'm no vlogger, you know. I'm the voice of poor people, you know. Because you know the man's background. The man come from a humble family background. And gaining wealth. The man no con people, the man no general people, the man no rob nobody. And my hero this year. My hero. Coming out of ignorance, enslave and knowledge liberate. That's some brilliant people. Because when Carl Archer tell us, say, if you go seek God, I like Carl Archer tell you directly yesterday, you know. Jesus Jesus is going to bring down the kingdom. So you can go and feast in the control the world and go and do what you do. Jesus will come back a phone, you know. So we're not going to trick the people and tell people in a bag of crap. But God make it think that we take it thing that I don't to debate on that. I tell them, you can't trick me, you know. Because I'm my own pastor. The book I'm reading book a long time, Daniel and Revelation. I had a call out to the governor yesterday. And I chew and I make you know certain things. Because no for no evil man in the church yesterday, you know, man. No for no evil, you know. But Carl Archer drop him with pound, you know. But Carl Archer stand up from Carl Archer come like him and drop in the church, you know. Some man, we don't gather one time, one man in one funeral, the man drop down when the man attack. But I want to call Archer the job for your smartly. When a politician, I tell them that Jesus is the real, are going to be the rules earlier. Yeah, man, at the end. So big up yourself, Pastor Carl Archer. Finally get you. I do a ceremony. Yes, I mix up the thing same way. You see, I can know. Because I carry this to about 20 minutes or so forth. This time I never get national hero. When you look at you from compound, crawl up beside me and say you want to touch boat. Because you never dress appropriate. Because poor people picnic. Poor people picnic them man for level. They come from a poor family. A barrack school in go. That's why I tell them because I want in touch boat and say, but damn it, if you crawl up your knee and go up the youngster because no one can help on boat. And you saying scared. And you TVJ man tell me say man, you know say, you can't go up there. The kids them love Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is an inspiration to the all young sports boys and girls them. That's a man talk for man thing. I mean I'm beg no cause come tell this man, oh, you know see, many voice of the poor. The same poor people photographer. And me come back and me same one in a different farm. Michael Manley Pitney. Because no nobody call me on bed again. Just call me Michael Manley Pitney. This is man look out for poor people. That's what I mean now, because the Prime Minister want this Michael Manley. I'm not call him Michael Manley. That's not call him Michael. I mean I'm calling him doctor. But Mr. Andrew Onless, we respect your speech yesterday. I'm glad to see you come. I'm glad to see you show your face. So I have you recorded. This time I never get national hero. National hero if you give the birthday out. And Marky G, you give the man national hero too. You're going to talk about the man. The national hero, talk about Bob Marley. You say both get national hero in the country. Just like we are going to get it at Barbados. Just like we are going to get it at Barbados. You say both get it at Jamaica now. And stop pay lip service. And pay lip service on the gate. On the PMP, you see me, and on the GLP, pay lip service. I'm not partial, you know. When you not treat the sports people them good at certain levels, that's why Merlin had to take away himself and gone a different country go on. I not hear nothing about no Veronica can be brown. That's why I saw for Powell saying pitting I went for Jamaica again. None of them pitting them. That's why Leon Bailey never want to play for Jamaica. And Bonnie Shaw and girls they don't want to play for the country. Because you know treat the sports people them good. You know use sports people and entertainer for the political gain. Pay lip service in the game. You can't have community center and build mad house and answer for from community center. Yeah? And top of the love sports. You take long for the develop sporting thing for the youths them. You not take long they try to develop thing for homeless people. But you have other land when you can't do that. I'm not against homeless, you know. But you have other land and fall, but you cannot do that. And I say, man, it's standing point of me yesterday. Yeah, man, when I the local youth from compound, come in a church, I want to touch both. And I say, if you go up, crawl up and you go touch him. The youth them love Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt is an inspiration for the kids them. And one do for the youth. Nothing significant in the name for the youth. And no, nothing at all in the name for the youth. No stadium, no sporting complex. That's why Porsche seems similar. Because I love Porsche, you know. Porsche the only prime minister say Usain something significant for the name of a boat now. That's why Porsche did want rename the Trillion Multipurpose Stadium as Usain Bolt Sport Academy and put truck up there. My two favorite prime minister are Michael Manley and Porsche seems similar. Big up yourself PJ, but my two favorite prime minister are Michael Manley and Porsche. Michael Manley people love Michael Manley and love Porsche. Because Porsche said Bolt to get something significant with him off of Bolt. Because I Google it and read about it. In 2015 before the 2016 election. So I don't talk no longer now. And I'm glad to see me have it on my 24 Ultra. Good quality. Because I go save this record, I go save it. So Marky G, because I just got on time. And when you get poor Marky G, make sure you get Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt get national hero. Bob Marley get national hero. Miss Lou get national hero. And Michael Manley get national hero. If you don't want to get the 40 one time, no problem. But them get national hero. The Prime Minister can't confess what I'm out. Have him. He all over the world. The man get national hero at Jamaica. Because if we can't get to the Barbados, one can't get to the Jamaica. Why you can't get to the Jamaica? And I close out by saying, brother, come in and talk much. You know, see, I want to know some PMP vlogger, brother. I'm a poor people vlogger. I vlog for the poor people. Because I want poor local youth crawl up beside me because I know him well. From compound, crawl up beside me and say, you want to ask me for Usain Bolt. I say, yeah man, Bolt, man. I you want to go. I say, go, sure. So big up all who turn out and support my hero. Me the only man on social media that Usain Bolt to get national hero. Me, are the only man said you forget national hero. No, do that. No, say that. Because when the market you come out in a seat. Yes. Say one market you talks to Bob Marley. Because the Prime Minister don't give him national hero, you know. The Prime Minister don't give him, you know. The Prime Minister, on with the lip service, come here still and give pretty speech. You don't give me national hero. You just come to give a pretty speech, but glad to confess out of mouth. So I'm a global icon, a national hero, and a national asset. So Marky G, when you take over the place, make sure, not Bob Marley alone. Make sure Usain Bolt get national hero, living national hero. Because if Buster Man they get it when he's dead, why? No. If Buster Man they get it when he's alive, why Bolt can't get it? Why the youth can't get it? Why the youth can't get it? 2 billion in teeth for the youth and the youth just humble the same way. That's why the youth never put none on the program and begin on speech, you know. Go through the program. The youth have no politician begin on speech, you know. For the program, you know. But through Bobs them turn up and the Prime Minister turn up. You understand? You know, so I'm going to give them speech. I'm glad to Prime Minister give him speech. I'm glad. I'm happy. And the best thing happened yesterday. And thank you, Mr. Andrew Wallace, to come up with funeral yesterday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Thank you, Mr. Andrew Wallace. Thank you, Mr. Andrew Wallace. I'm not calling no doctor. I'm not calling no Michael, because you don't deserve to call name Michael. Your father give you name Michael, but you don't deserve the Michael name, because you want this Michael money too much. But I thank you so much. I mean, have your recording. Usain Bolt get in the seat. Because we come out of your mouth, come for your heart. Because you know how to call it, you forget national hero. National hero are the best speech ever you, are the best thing ever you say. I mean, I close down by saying, thank you for coming yesterday. In the seat. I'm glad to my video is so clean and pretty. I'm glad me have you clean and pretty. Yes, I'm have you distorted, clean and pretty. And the greatest thing to me yesterday. The two touching moments when you talk about both to get national hero. Yes, man, when you look at you from compound, crawl up beside me and touch. Yeah, man, look at poor you from compound and you see, and look at you go become great in a sports, can love sports. Because of him size of him body, because I don't feel say himself don't have a big body, like all Bolt. And I want you if you go, figure nib. Yeah, man, when I left on compound and nib him I go. Nib. Come on, talk to me, say right. I make you know, say, in book for nib. Nib him I go. Yeah, man, long as you just behave himself when you're doing schoolwork. And nib that little boy they go. Because he love sports so much. Just like how me love sports. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. So me thank all that who turned out yesterday. And big up all the everybody was sure. Both rich and poor. You know, see, black and white. Good turnout. You finally get a good funeral. Yes. And hope and pray some more big funeral keeper so the road him can fix up. Because the road him fix up yesterday. Some part from Victoria Street, one road there. You got a part of that bad connection for years. I'm glad to fix up. So we want more big funeral. We want more big funeral about you. Yeah, man, for them fix the place. Yeah, man, I hope say yeah, man. So yeah, man, more big funeral board of your place can fix up. So as I say, you know, see, ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate for life. You know, see, yeah, man, and work hard and integrity. And I close by saying, so big up yourself, Carl Archer. Yeah, man, you looked at me, Daniel, and the revelation prophecy yesterday. Daniel prophecy yesterday. Then we seek God, seek Jesus. I'm glad to be my one pastor. That's why no man couldn't tell me say God make the thing there, we take it. So as I say, one love, big up yourself, Soko, big up yourself, Soko. Yes, Iyah, yes, Iyah, yes, Iyah.